Get into a car with value. 2019 Acura RDX. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Who says you can't have it all? The RDX delivers performance, luxury, handling, and comfort, all in a crossover SUV. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, premium sound system, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, lane keeping assist, satellite radio, power liftgate. Feel what it's like to have it all. Test drive the Acura RDX today.